This is room 224, Hotel 1900. It's a very compact room. When you first walk in, on the wall, there are some hangers. Of course, the emergency evacuation plan. And then there is also your thermostat. There's a place where you insert your card to keep the energy on in the room. And then various lights in the room, light switches. And of course your locks for the door. There's also some full-length mirrors. So it does make the room look a lot bigger than it is. So there's 2 full-length mirrors when you first walk in on your right side, and 1 full-length mirror on your left side. On the right side is the bathroom. We will show that in a moment. So here is the main space of the room. We have already brought in our luggage. We have 4 suitcases with us. This is a deluxe room. So we have a flat screen TV on the wall. I would estimate it's maybe about a 32-inch. It looks like it is a queen size bed, I would say. There is space underneath the bed to put suitcases, so that is nice, with it being such a compact room. They have a cushioned seat there. There is a small refrigerator. They provide disposable slippers. And then tea, coffee, complimentary drinking water, a kettle to warm up water for coffee. And then they have some shelves here. And they have some dental kits that are complimentary. Here's your sink. There's a mirror above. They said this hotel has plenty of mirrors. It does give the illusion that the room's bigger than it is. Hair dryer in there, more storage space, which is nice for this size hotel. Trash can. Another full-length mirror there. There is no carpet in this room, so that's nice. This room smells fresh. There's no musty odor. Okay, this sliding door takes you into the bathroom. The bathroom is very compact. There is looks like a rain shower head. I'll let that speak for itself. Drainage there in the corner. There's your toilet. They have a bidet, towels, toilet paper. No frills, but it does smell clean. Does not smell mildewy at all. There's no mold smell. I don't see no apparent mold here in the room, so that is always a nice thing. Again, another overview of the room.
Singapore.
确实挺多的。